Hey everybody, welcome back to Grandpa's Garage. Well, looks like the Bondo has cured. I need to sand that off. And then this fender can be put off to the side. It's going to need more primer, but I'm not going to primer it today. So let's see. What we've got here. Need to sand this bugger. Now, we don't need to sand it with a 60. But, let's try an 80. Oh, much better. A little bit more feathery right there. There. Well, that's going to do it for this fender for the time being. Dents are gone. There'll be a little more putty or primering going on, and then I'll have to put probably another little skim coat here or there. We'll see how it looks under the primer, but those two major dents, well, there was one here, and there was a couple over here. They're now all gone, nice and smooth. Okay, pull those glasses off. Grandpa, I can't see to walk with them. Get rid of this fender out of here. fender number 2. This one still has a bit of a how you doing over here. We'll take this one down a little bit. 120 and an 80, where's the 60s? Where did I put you? There you are. I've got a substantial dent right here. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up, but this is supposed to be kind of straight right across here. There's a how you doing karate chop right where you don't want one, right? The rest of this fender has got no dents and no rust. So you can see what I'm doing here. I'm really randomly moving around. I don't want to heat up a panel anywhere and warp anything, so I just keep moving around. Everything is nice and flat and everything. It's just this one spot, and in behind I've got this, I don't know if you can see that, this inner structure, and the dent is in behind this. There's a small amount of it right there. I don't know if I can work that or what I'm going to do here. May end up just being a little more filler than I really anticipate putting there, but anyway, we'll figure it out. See what looks good. But I'm going to continue on working this fender. It's feeling good. It's looking good. Bye for now.